This video is a teacher training video for dance teachers. Yeah. Let me start by putting a question. We as dancers are good at dancing, but does that make us good at teaching also? We spend so many years learning to dance. Yeah. What is the time we spend to improve our teaching skills? So I'm sure you agree with me that dancing and teaching are two different skills, and as dance teachers we need to groom both the skills equally. So in this video we're going to deal with what. Yeah, when I say what, the choreographies, how it has to be taught, the class flows, why. Why are you teaching? You need to know that. So say you're teaching isolation, yes, where it is moving one part of the body. Why do you isolation? You're teaching jazz walk. Yeah, why are we teaching jazz walk? To build performance, to build confidence. When we do a choreography in pre-primary, we let them go everywhere, right? So why are we teaching that? To manage the space better. So it's very important to know why we are teaching a particular skill. So that was what, that is why, how. How is behavior management, space management, how to organize a class better. The basically effective teaching skills is how. And last but not the least, when. When deals with curriculum planning. So when is the right time to teach what? How do you progress? Yeah, when do you go further? When do you hold back? Yeah, so questions related to curriculum planning. So let's go a little further and figure out the why, what, when, how through our pre-primary dance curriculum. So what do we have in pre-primary dance curriculum? Yeah, usually we have 4 songs. In between the 4 songs also we have one elements of dance, and the other section which we have is fitness. It's very important to take a class especially with little children, which is highly active and passive, highly active and passive. Now when I say passive, passive doesn't mean that you make them sit. Yeah, passive is you make them stand and do just action and make them listen to the story through action. So you make them dance, you do elements of dance. You make them dance, you do a fitness. You make them dance, so you take the energy high, low, high, low. That is how you control. So if you see the class flow which we have, yeah, very clearly the songs are mentioned, the elements of dance, and even what is important to be taught, what are the details, everything is mentioned. Yeah, so if you follow it well, you will never have problem with what to teach. So what is required from your side is to be very well prepared with this content which you have. Yeah, so you have, if you're very well prepared, the what is very simple.